In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom CRM properties in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your CRM, creating custom properties can tailor your data management to fit your specific business needs. Let's dive in and explore how to do this step by step. Firstly, you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the main navigation bar at the top of the page. It's there you'll spot the settings icon, which resembles a little gear. Clicking on this icon will take you into the settings area of HubSpot, setting you up to make custom changes. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the left sidebar. Here you're going to see several options, but you'll want to focus on a section titled Properties, which falls under Data Management. When you click on Properties, you'll be able to manage and create new data fields. Next, it's time to get creative. Still on the left sidebar, you'll find an option labeled Create Property. Clicking this will set you up to define a new property, essentially a new piece of data you want to track in HubSpot. With that clicked, it's important to select which object type your property should belong to. You have a few options to choose from, such as contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or even custom objects. Consider what part of your business process this data will relate to, as this decision determines where your new property will live and function within the CRM. After choosing the object type, a new panel will open up allowing you to configure the property. This configuration stage is where you need to think about the nature of your data. For instance, you might opt for a text field if you want to collect written information, or a number field for numerical data. There are also options like Dropdown Select or multiple checkboxes for predefined choices, and tools like a date picker for recording specific dates. Additionally, you can choose other types like Radio Select, Boolean, or more, each option providing the flexibility to capture data in the way that best suits your needs. Finally, once you've set up all the fields and parameters to your liking, don't forget to click Create or Save. This action finalizes the setup, saving your new custom property in the system. Always ensure that you've reviewed everything before saving to avoid any hiccups. And there you have it, a fully customized CRM property tailored to your specific needs in HubSpot. This new property now allows you to capture and organize data crucial to your business processes and understanding your customer relationships better. With these tools at your disposal, you're one step closer to mastering HubSpot's powerful CRM capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.